Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lulua TV Tech for this brand new content. Today I am going to show you some computer tricks that will help you to make your computer a bit faster, can even be 10 times faster than before. You realize every time you're using your computer, it keeps getting slower and slower, and yet you look at your space and all other things, they look normal, but you ask yourself what is really wrong with this computer. So there are some command prompts that can help you overcome this challenge, and I am hoping that you'll be able to stick around up to the end of this video, because all the commands are so important that you really don't need to miss any of them. To access the first command, you need to click on the button that shows the window sign, the window logo plus R. And then once you have done that, you'll be able to see a prompt that will request you to type something. So from here we shall type temp, that is TEMP, then you click OK. So you'll see these files. For me, I keep deleting these files. Right now I only have 11 items inside, but you realize you might have thousands or hundreds of files here. So you just highlight all of them and delete, and trust me, this will improve your computer speed. When you can't delete others, most likely they are in use or they are open. That's why you may fail to delete them, that the action can't be completed because the folder or file in it is open in another program. So you may skip these and probably come back later to delete them when those programs are closed. And from here we shall be able to access our second command. You also click on the button that has the window logo plus R again to input the second command, and the command is a sister to temp, but this time it has percentage signs. You write %temp, then % again. So they are a bit related with the temp, but they also have different files. So this is how you write it, temp, then you click OK. And I only have 32 items here. That's because I just deleted most of my files here. So you highlight all and delete. For me, I can only delete a few, and that's remaining 17 items here. So you can skip those ones that are failing to delete because they are open in other files, so they're in use. If a file is in use, you can't delete them. So this one will now take us to the third option, and it's a very important command. You also do the same. You click on the window plus R, and then you write prefets. You write prefets and then OK. And this time they say you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. So you click continue so that you can access this file of files. So click continue. When you click on continue, it will open this. Here I have 227 items. All these files are useless, by the way. They just make the computer slow, and when you don't delete these, Trust me, you can accumulate thousands and thousands, and your computer can really be slow, and you be wondering what is really happening with your computer, and yet you see your space is enough, everything looks okay, but your computer is lagging and it's quite slow, and you can see the speed at which this thing keeps adding files. We have just deleted them and we already have 5. It keeps adding. As long as the computer is on and working, it will keep adding files into these folders. So you need to use these command prompts to continuously delete these files. If you can do this every day, it can actually be better, because when you just leave this thing to stay for a day, trust me, you'll have thousands of these. So the first was temp, and then the second, or the brother or the sister to temp, is percentage temp percentage. Then the third we used was prefets. So these ones are the commands that I thought I should share with you, so that you can also make your computer a bit faster than what it used to be. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around for the next content. Thank you.